We depart for Barcelona, a 5-hour flight in about 10 hours, meaning the pickup for the airport will be in about 7 hours. Before the departure, I decided to get myself some breakfast, brunch, the whole feast, at the westmost point in Africa, La Pointe des Almadies. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jason. I go by FlyJV and I am an airline pilot. Alright, so what do we have here? We got some bagel, some scrambled eggs, some sausage, some potato, croissant, waffle, more croissant, some chocolate, some fruits, cappuccino in the building, and my orange juice, man. I'm about to dive into it. Let's get it. I like to use my rest days and the time before flight to take care of myself, meaning I can work, I can get some good breakfast in, I can get some good food, I can just enjoy myself, relax, get my mind and my body back on track before I get back into a flight. And this is exactly what I'm doing. This brunch was, to be honest, very delicious. And my next plan after getting this food is to go get my hair cut and be fresh before the flight. But before we do that though, I will make sure to show you around the westmost point of Africa and show you the edge, what it looks like. Farthest point west of Africa. Oh my god, look at this horse, bro. Alright, that's a nice horse. Anyway, let's see if I can show you the edge. This is what it is. And my feet are wet now, bro. That's tough. Quick haircut before the flight. Gotta get the fade back in and also trim the beard a little bit. Now when that's done, I'll be running a few errands and then getting back home to get a little bit of rest, prepare my luggage, flight most importantly. La Française. Operation time, work time. Now the main difference between long flights such as this one and shorter flights is that you don't have to worry as much about the actual flying of the aircraft and the critical phases of flight, but you have to be foreseeing the future. You have to think about all of the things that can go wrong and plan accordingly. That's why you can implement things such as cruise briefings and just in general have a what if mindset in case something happens, so you already have a solution in mind. Breakfast mode. Jambon, boom, boom, eggs, bacon, boom. Welcome into the big body room. The big body room, 2 beds, coffee machine, we out here, TV, another day in the life. What's the view saying? I'm tired. Been flying all night and now I really need to get some sleep. I really need to pass out real quick because I've accumulated a lot of fatigue in the past week or so, and I woke up really early yesterday for this red-eye flight, which is not very good. I tried to get a nap in after I went to get my food and haircut, etc. Just gonna go to bed, try to sleep for 3 or 4 sleep cycles. A sleep cycle is about 90 minutes, an hour and a half, so I'll try to sleep maybe around 4 hours and 30 minutes or 6 hours. So let's try to get some of that rest in. It is now 7:30 p.m. Okay, I woke up around 4 p.m. Now I'm getting ready to go out with the flight attendants to go get some food in the city of Barcelona. My personal plan is to go to Barcelona beach and get some food over there. They got some excellent tapas and all types of restaurants around there. And it's also a good place to just see and just, you know, Look at the yachts, look at the sea, look at everything, man. It looks beautiful. I want to know in the comment section right now, down below, how many of you guys actually speak Spanish, and how many of you guys are from Spain? How many of you guys are also from Barcelona? That's something I'm very curious to know about, like, my audience. So let me know right now in the comment section down below, guys. Alright guys, rate this fit 1 through 10. Gotta keep the class on point, man. Got your boy out here looking fresh. We got the cameras out, man. Lights out, cameras out, stars out. Est-ce qu'on te voit bien?
C'est noir?
C'est noir.
Ouais, là ça va.
Ah, là ça va. Welcome. Elle c'est ça son truc tout le temps.
Comme ça.
Ever since I met you from my life, man, not to halt. Now we not together, yeah, I'm bitter, full of salt. Baby girl, you whining on my heart, you got a cold. Got it in my lane, now you got me in your court. One no, baby girl, yeah, you whine no on my lap, yeah, Satya, fine no, baby.
Ah. Là, vlog mode. Ça c'est secret. Yo, pardon. Oh.
I'ma get you feel attention every time I'm close. Unpredictable the way I got you on your toes. Sure you made the right decision, that's the one you chose. I don't need no other, yeah, you over these hoes. Yeah. Waka, what you gon', what you whoa, when you gon' make a follow. Whoa, what you gon', what you whoa.
Paella de marisco.
Si.
Paella de polo.
Wow, de pollo.
De pollo.
De pollo.
De pollo.
Arroz caldoso con bogavante.
Ça c'est arroz
atún
negro
à la plancha.
con mejillones.
Ay, why? New song coming soon, new video coming soon. Let's go. Croquetas de pollo, patatas bravas, dos chicas perdidas.
De pollo.
Et pollo, attends, ça on fait hot chocolate mode. Waka. And we got some fried squid right here. It's nice, no? Told you.
Baby girl, panga, come when panga samba, one samba power. I got the power, so what the time you bring to my heart.
Paella. All the same.
I don't wanna settle, gotta keep up with my goals. I don't wanna lose you, guess my logic full of holes. Back and forth, that's where my mind is sticking toes. Playing wishy-washy, what connection free falls.
Back in the room. Exhausted, bro. I'm exhausted. Downloading the update of MSFS 2020, Flight Simulator 2020. Somebody explained to me why there's so many updates with this game. Like, I can't ever play the game for more than 2 days without having like an 80 or 30 gigabyte update to make. Day 2, okay, we're going out to eat. We didn't do much today because obviously it's the second day, we're leaving tomorrow, so we all just wanted to rest, have some good sleep. We went downstairs, got some quick shopping in, came back in the room, and now it's time to go get some food. So we're gonna go get some good meat. Apparently it's a good restaurant that sells meats and stuff like that, so let's get into it, man. Rate the fit, second fit, same jacket but second fit, so let's get it, bro. Okay, we got restaurants, we got food courts, we got people, we got all types of stuff. I got my big ass camera and I'm out here vlogging. Well, I love this energy, man. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to follow me on social media. Follow me at JasonVoodoo for a inside look at my daily life as an airline pilot, okay? So right now, the flight attendants are shopping again. Like, that's always how it goes. Like, we're supposed to go out to get like some food, right? But they're already out shopping. It's always the same thing, bro. When does it stop? It never ends, man. It never ends. Gracias.
That just looks like good.
Ah bon, y a pas de sauce apparemment. Hein? No hay salsa? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? Pollo, nachos, con queso y con jalapeño. Jalapeño, c'est les piments. Los pimantes. Jalapeños.
Jalapeños.
Sí.
Gracias.
Okay. ¿Quiere un poco más de jalapeño?
Para mí es no.
Bueno, panos.
Est-ce que vous voulez plus de piment?
She kick it with me tonight. I got the Henny, the money, the honey. We got all we need tonight. Strike like team tonight. Buy the crib tonight. She chill in the crib tonight. My nose they be running, my palms they be sweaty. J'ai fait trop la fête tonight. Flacon de Lanco, un peu comme un fantôme. I'm in a rave. They tryna catch me, they wanna be me.
Moi c'est... J'ai oublié le nom. Tareja de...
De pura.
Non, de pura c'est quoi?
Ya lo vi acá.
Yum. Yum.
C'est bon, hein? Delicioso. Morning YouTube, it is now 7:15 a.m. So it's going to be a direct flight back to Dakar in Senegal due to the closure of the borders and the travel ban on Morocco. So it's going to be 4 hours and 47 minutes of flight. We make it to the airport and walk over to the aircraft where we will receive our flight documents and get the aircraft ready for the flight. Now, due to the closure of the borders of Casablanca, we will have a direct flight back to Dakar, Senegal. It's still a long flight, but shorter in relative terms.
I cannot be the same with all these wannabes. I cannot fit them all in what you shot me in.
We have a long and comfortable flight. We thank these lovely ladies for holding it down back there in the cabin and taking care of business as usual, in spite of the turbulence and some passengers that can sometimes be difficult to them. And we're back home.
No, you are not the same. I am the road to your home.
We back in the house. 4 hours, 47 minutes of flight. Yeah. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and check out the music channel if you're interested in any of the songs that you listen to, or if you want to hear my upcoming song. The sky is not the limit. The sky is home. Be limitless.